Over the shimmering blue ocean, a young seagull named Pailin soared with ease. Day after day, she watched the fishing boats, waiting for the perfect moment to snatch an easy meal. To Pailin, waiting was always easier than hunting. Life seemed simple, until one day a furious storm descended. The last fishing boat was wrecked and the harbor was empty. Days passed with no easy meals, and hunger gnawed at her body. Weakened, Pailin spotted a school of fish glinting beneath the waves. Drawing on fading strength, she dove again and again, missing each time. Still, she did not give up. At last, Pailin caught her first fish, and though exhausted, flew home with a heart full of pride. In that quiet triumph, she finally understood the lesson her mother wished for her all along. Nothing is as precious as self-reliance.